Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little haul combination from Michael's and Walmart. So I'll jump right on in. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. So I just picked up some little jewelry trays. They were $1. I know you can get bigger ones, but I just wanted these two little small ones. So I got that. They were just $1 each, and they have a nice little depth to them, and they hold 10 slots each, so that's 20 slots. Did pick up some of the assorted key rings, excuse me, and I put the silver and the gold earring hoops, and some E6000 with the tips. Then I had to go to Michael's, and I ended up picking up me some more tape, because, you know, just need some tape. I did end up getting this little teeny, smaller than my other one, but it says thank you. I did have other ones, and I used my little coupon. But just another little seal press, wax seal head. And then, being the genius that I am, I was like, I can use this as my palette, because the one I wanted to order is on backorder on Amazon. Well, not on backorder, but it was going to take 3 to 5 weeks, and I was like, what? I can use this for this. You know, and then after I got home, I was like, duh, the heat is going to melt this. So I'm going to take this back. I can't use this because I do have alcohol inks. I can keep this for my alcohol inks, which I may do that. But I was like, I was going to try to use this for that, give me my purple. My, you know, round circles. I can't even talk. And then he had all the beads and stuff 60% off. So I did pick up a couple things. You know, a lot of people just snatching all the beads out, which I don't blame them because it was 60% off. So just a few. And I just got a ton of them when I was visiting my daughter out of town. She blessed me with some stuff, so took me shopping. So I'm trying to get stuff I know I didn't have. Little pineapples on the chain. And then these, so yeah. So that was the extent of my little haul. So again, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.